Sentence number 1. Let's read together.
We spent a total of 472 on some t-shirts and shorts.
Okay, so we know that t-shirts plus shorts is actually equals to 472. Am I making sense here? Okay, so once I'm done with this, right, I can move on to sentence number 2.
He spent $392 more on all the t-shirts than on all the shirts.
The word more prompts me to draw a model. What kind of model? A comparison model, correct? More than, less than, it's always a comparison model. This is something that you have learned in B4, B5, even B3, in fact, right? T-shirt to shorts, since we know that t-shirt is 392 more, we are going to show that t-shirt is actually more by 392. And for shorts, it will just be this much, okay? And I know that the total is actually how much? 472. Now, once I'm done, right, I can move on to sentence number 3. Now, Roy bought 3 times as many t-shirts as shorts, which means to say t-shirt is how many units? 3 units. So I can say that whatever that is over here is actually 3 units. Can you all see that this 3 units is actually what I call my how many? Right? This is the quantity. Okay? But the model that I've drawn is for the value. How much? You understand what I'm saying? All right, so you can actually tell me that, Teacher Joseph, isn't this very much or similar to number x value? I would say yes, but we are going to use big difference, small difference to help us to find. Understand? Okay, now, if t-shirt is 3 units, then can I confidently say that this is 1 unit? Yes, for sure, correct? Now, so what I can do is simply find out what is this gap over here. You all agree so far? And since they are the same, we can perform mirror image, right? So what I can do, I can just simply do $472 minus away $392. Okay, what do I get? I get to... Okay, so over here, you will get to $80. And what I can do next is I will simply just do $80 divided by 2, and that gives me $40. So you quickly put in $40 in the gap provided, okay? So from here itself, right, you can obviously see that, okay, t-shirt is $40 plus 392, and for shorts, it is just $40. So what am I going to do next? I'm going to write it out. Okay, I'm going to write it out. What am I going to write? I'm going to say that 3 units of t-shirt is actually equals to $40 plus $392. I say that again, $40 plus $392, and that brings me to $432. That is for 3 units of t-shirt. Whereas 1 unit of shorts is actually equals to how much? Just $40. All right, now some of you may be confused. You're like, what is 1 unit of shorts? You can see that as 1 group of shorts. You understand? Okay, so you know that this is a big difference, small difference question. So you need to be very, very, very focused on finding out the big difference. What is big difference? Once again, 1 group of something versus 1 group of something. All right, the difference between 1 group of shorts and 1 group of t-shirt. That's why we say big difference. Big, the word big means 1 group, 1 big group. Understand? Now, over here, right, we cannot compare 3 units of t-shirt and 1 unit of shorts. Why? It's unfair. It's unfair. Yeah, it's not the same. Right now, math is about making things the same. So you tell me 3 units of t-shirt is less than 1 unit of shorts? That's not true. Right? Most likely, it will be more than 1 unit of shorts. So what we want to do is, again, 1 group of something versus 1 group of something. Right? If we were to say 3 units of t-shirt versus 1 unit of shorts, it's as if like I am saying 3 groups of t-shirts versus 1 group of shorts. That is not fair. You cannot compare. Okay, $432 divided by 3, we get to a beautiful answer of 144. 144. Okay, now, so once I have this, right, I have 1 group and 1 group. What I can quickly do is I can find out what is my big difference. Okay, what is my big difference? My big difference is 1 group versus 1 group. So therefore, it's 144 minus away $40, and we get to a beautiful answer of 104. Okay, and then I also want to find my small difference, which most of the time, not all of the time, but most of the time, it is given in the question. Fortunately, in this question, it is given in the question. It says what? It says that each, can you all see the word each? T-shirt costs $13 more than each. The word each means 1. All right, the word each means 1. So therefore, I know that that is my small difference, which amounts to $13. Okay, I don't even have to do any calculation. I know difference means minus, right? But over here, you don't even need. Why? Because of the word 13 more. Can you see the word more? It means that is already the difference, isn't it? Right? So now you have big difference, small difference. Okay.
Divide.
Thank you. So what you want to do next, right, is to do 104 divided by 13. All right, 104 divided by 13, we get to an answer of 8. Now, if you're wondering, what is this 104? It's actually $104 divided by $13. Your answer cannot be in dollars anymore, isn't it? Because when I divide, it means that I have to cancel out. Isn't it true that I've canceled out the dollar sign? Right. So if you know that this question, it's all about two kinds of units, either dollar, t-shirt, and or shorts. You understand what I'm saying? So over here, you just put 8 items, remember? Okay, if you have watched my previous video, you will know that when I do big difference divided by small difference, my answer will get me to Mr. Greenman. So therefore, I write over here, 8 items in 1 unit. Okay, I just have to be very, very conscious of, these 8 items. What exactly is that? That is my 1 unit. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, I don't have space over there, so I'm going to just, shift it to the left-hand side, okay? So for A, right, in A, Mr. Greenman is out, can read A already. A say, how many t-shirts did Roy buy? Your eyes, fix your eyes on the model. Don't go back to the question. A lot of students, what they like to do is they write out everything, right? And then when they answer the question, they go back to the question. Then what is the point of writing out everything? You get what I'm trying to say? You write out everything so that you are clear. You are clear. You know what exactly you are trying to change English to mathematical, equations or solutions. You understand what I'm saying? So what I want to do is I go back to my model. I ask myself, t-shirt, how many units? So we know that 3 units now, therefore it will be 8 times 3. And therefore my answer has to be 24 t-shirts. Okay, so 24 t-shirts. Can you all see that? Okay, so once I'm done with A, perfect. Of course, you write out your answer in the space provided. Don't put TS, please spell t-shirts, okay? Now, what we can do next is read the next part of the sentence. What was the cost of each pair of shorts? So fix your eyes on shorts. As you can see over here, shorts. This person bought how many shorts? 1 unit equals to 8, right? So that means how many shorts? 8 shorts, right? So for B, we know that 8 shorts, okay, is actually equals to how much? $40. So the question says, I want you to find each. So each means 1 shorts. Okay, so 1 shorts will therefore be 40 divided by 8, and therefore I will get to my beautiful answer of $5.